Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi name not showing issue on Android. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is head over to the settings on your phone. From here, scroll down and look for System. Then click Reset Options and choose the first option, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Now all you have to do is click Reset Settings, enter your password, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.